Hello everyone, my name is Disha and today I am sharing a tutorial for making your own postcards. The supplies you will need today are Craftangles watercolor paper, 100% cotton smooth. Next we need liquid watercolors, a palette, some paint brushes and some water. So let's get started. In order to create the postcards, I'm going to cut my A5 watercolor paper in half. Each half makes one postcard. For my first postcard, I'm going to use Craftangles liquid watercolors in Lemon Tart, Limelight and Poolside. Next, I'm taping the Craftangles Stripes stencil onto my postcard. I'm going to color the stencil space with the watercolors to have a colorful pattern look. I use these stencils with my ink pads usually, but this is the first time I'm using it for watercoloring. A tip here. Don't have too much water on your brush or it will seep into the stencil space and you won't get clean lines. Also, if you accidentally pick up a lot of color on your brush, make long strokes and spread the color with water. You will see me do this with Poolside shade. Use a hairdryer to speeden up the drying process and to remove the tape easily from the back. Once this layer dries up, I'm going to be using a pencil to draw light guidelines for my coat. And I'm going to write, "Be your own kind of beautiful." Our monthly challenge theme is Celebrate Love. And I've already shared a tutorial on making some handmade and hand-lettered Valentine's Day cards earlier. Expressing your love to others is important, but self-love is equally important. So our postcards will have some self-love quotes or messages. Now you can create your own postcards and send them to your friends, family, loved ones, or keep it for yourself as a reminder. Once I'm done with the coat, the postcard is almost ready. I will just turn it over and draw a midline and some horizontal lines on the right to write the address. And it's done. Our first postcard. For the second postcard, I want to paint a moon scene, so I'll be using liquid watercolors in grape jelly and eggplant for the sky, ocean breeze for the moon, blackberry for the trees, and silver moonlight to add highlights to the moon. For the moon, I'm using the washi tape to create half side of the full moon. I'll be using wet on wet technique for this. So I wet the moon area and I start dropping my color in ocean breeze. I wanted to keep the right side a little darker. I'll also be leaving a little space around the moon to highlight it further. I use a hairdryer to speeden up the drying process. Next, I wet the rest of the paper and make long sideways strokes for getting the sky effect. I am using eggplant and grape jelly colors to create the sky effect in sideways strokes. We're almost done. I'll be using a hairdryer to speeden the drying process. Then I use silver moonlight color to highlight the moon and to make it shine more so that it stands out more. And it's just on the edges of the moon that I apply the silver moonlight color. Now once everything dries, I start drawing the pine trees using blackberry color. Again, we do this by using side swift strokes but smaller strokes this time. Once you're done painting, let the entire area dry. Use a hair dryer to peel off the washi tape carefully. Now as you can see here, I ripped off some of the paper on the right because I tried to hurry the process. Next, I will write, "Embrace your uniqueness" with a fine liner, and finish off the postcard by drawing lines on the back. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial for today. Please tag me at the rate of the Crazy Craft Lover and at the rate of Craftangles if you try these out. Share some self-love quotes in the comments so that we can get ideas to create some more postcards with some unique self-love messages. Here are the 2 postcards we created today. Thank you. See you next time with another fun project. Till then, stay safe.